So every tower here is named after waterfall in the world, famous waterfalls.
Damn, dude, that is so cool.
What I would do, I would do.
But it blew me away big time. My expectations are blown out of the water. These amenities are off the charts. The gym's off the charts, this garden, the pool. Yeah, I've always wanted to check this place out because it's right across from the river from like where I'm at now at the Proscenium. Okay. And it just looks sweet. So I'm like, dude, I gotta check out the Novotel Suites, the Aqua Residences. Yeah. What's up, guys? So we're in the Novotel Suites right now in the Aqua Residences, and we are in a studio, I believe. It's 330 square meters, or no, square feet, about 33 square meters. And the asking is currently 30,000 pesos, but the value proposition in this unit is outrageous. Like, the owner did a fantastic job with the interior design. Wait till you see this. Wait till you see just how beautiful and decadent it is. And based off of what they're asking for, like, the value proposition is nuts. Oh, if you don't mind being in the frame, you can just stand wherever, man. So wow, we got double sinks. Is that a double shower, my friend?
That's a shower and a bathroom.
This is like, okay, that's pretty cool. I like how they use the space. Like, that's awesome. So in the first stall right here, the glass panel, we have like a nice little shower, and that's actually nice. Kind of reminds me of like Thailand, like Bangkok, the way they set that one up. Then we just have the shower, or I mean the toilet in this one. Double sinks is so handy if you're living with a woman like me. That helps like crazy because she'll have tons of stuff. And just look at the interior design work in this place for 30,000 pesos for the 33 square meters is simply fantastic. Got a range hood here. I got a dual induction cooktop installed in here. Nice. Exactly. Wow, that's a rock solid LG TV. Look how colorful this is with the yellow sofas and I just love it. They made such great use of the 33 square meters. So it doesn't have a split AC, but the AC unit, it looks extremely well installed, which is fantastic. And it's an LG unit, and it is cold in here right now as we're standing here. So that is also great. Got some wardrobe space right here. I didn't think I would be a fan of this color green, but the interior designer, they make it work. Like, I don't mind it at all, to be honest with you. When they match it with the yellow carpet and the yellow sofa and like the teal blue sheets, I actually am surprised how nice it looks. It looks even better in person than it does on the camera, but what a view too. Check that out. That is an absolutely fantastic, I can only imagine how good that looks at night. Wow. So it's basically a floor to ceiling window. You can see the Pasig River. A little bit dirty, but I mean, these buildings at night when the sun goes down, it's shining over the horizon there. It's got to be gorgeous. This is just actually an immaculate. Wow, this view is stunning. So yeah, I mean, the value proposition in this place is really good. When I was looking at the ad for it, I was hoping I would get a chance to actually come in here and check this out, because my lease is actually expiring soon anyways in the Proscenium at Rockwell. So I want to evaluate my options to keep a base here in probably Makati or BGC around this area. And this is a super good option for sure. Beautiful basketball court right here. That's nice.
Yeah, done repainting it.
This building looks like something out of like Star Trek.
Yeah,
That's cool. Very cool. Yeah. Nice. This is a super interesting space. This is unique, man. I haven't seen a lot like this.
Like a chill place. You know, to chill out there, like maybe.
place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back.
Cool, man. Yeah, this place is something.
Yeah.
Hold me back. Take my time. Just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good. Best I've ever felt. Get me up. Somewhere new. Somewhere I can find myself.
Oh my God, what the heck is this?
The view's amazing.
Whoa, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Come here every day.
Dude, I would rent this place just for the gym. It's amazing. Wow, this gym is incredible.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way.
They've got a boxing area over here. This gym just goes on for days, man.
Yeah.
It's got like a natural light ceiling window, so the sunshine just comes in here and shines on this garden right here.
Yeah.
That is a work of art, man. That's beautiful. You usually see that in like high-end malls.
Yeah. The windows are big, so it's not you don't feel closed there.
Yeah.
It feels very open.
Just so you know, guys, these floor-to-ceiling windows are like 12 to 14 foot at least, so it looks way bigger in person. It's extremely inspiring. Wow. And you're facing Rockwell. You're just getting like this fantastic view while you're working out. I've always been curious about this place. Now I understand the hype.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
What in the world is going on down here? Dude, what is that?
Yeah, it's not that.
Not interested in all that responsibility.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not much.
I have to get like filthy rich first to begin to justify it.
But it's very family friendly.
Oh my God, dude, this is the craziest playroom I've ever seen in my life. Bro, I've never seen a playroom. Who designed this building, bro? What am I looking at? That is outrageous. This can't be a part of a condominium.
This is, yeah, very family friendly.
This is super easy to get excited about. Oh my God, what am I looking at? Dude, wow. Okay, so the ceilings are like 50 foot tall in this playroom, this kid room. Like I want to be a kid again just so I can experience this. That is like the coolest thing I've seen. And this is the top 5 coolest things I've seen in Manila. Look at this chair. Look at this playground for the kids. That is so cool. It's caged in, so it's obviously safe, but that is just amazing.
Like a ramen bar.
Oh, wow. So guys, there's like a little restaurant right here you can eat at late at night, open hours. Here's another one right here. Lawson. Wow, it's a convenience store. That is so incredibly well placed. Got like an eyelash studio going on. That's perfect. Send your wife or your girlfriend there. I don't know what this is. It's like
Like a bar.
it's like a bar. Nice.
Just the viewing.
Wow.
Yeah, so you can play billiards.
This is amazing. What's the name of this place?
Hola.
Hola.
Hola. Yeah, it's a Spanish Mexican restaurant.
Spanish Mexican restaurant named Hola, dude.
Very fun hangout place on the weekend.
This is blowing my mind right now. Wow. This place blows my expectations out of the water. Wow. I mean, you compare this to the leading cities on the planet, dude. Unbelievably. People are missing out, man. What is going on? That is nuts. This is
That building right there. This one.
nice, man.
On the 7th floor.
Wow. Holy shit.
My way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way.
This is like a coffee shop. Wow. I'm just doing a vlog.
Vlogger.
Wow, it's incredible. This is a, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my God.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way.
Oh, Korean place right here?
Yeah, Korean store.
Wow.
And all your ramen.
Beautiful. Very convenient. Is this a Thai spa, a Thai massage and spa right here?
Exactly. So I'm getting at least once a week a massage.
Oh my God.
I'm addicted. I might be a little bit.
Yeah, I can understand why. It's so
It's
so
here.
close,
Yeah,
and it's
exactly. I just walked down here.
yeah, it's hard to beat. Oh my
We
goodness.
also do a home service. Even if you call them and they'll come to your place. And
Oh man, it's so convenient. Yeah, I was telling Charles, I feel like when I walk up these steps here, I was in like Cancun, Mexico, and like a resort strip of a beach. That's kind of the vibe this gives off. Like I can't even believe like just how big the buildings are and stuff, and like the architecture is just nuts here. It's something else, man. This is the most underrated. I mean, this is mind blowing. I don't know why more people aren't talking about this place. This is like one of Manila's best kept secrets or something. This is crazy. Wow. So we're about to go check out like this waterfall looking built structure on the other side of the basketball court. That is incredible.
after you get a little workout at the basketball court,
Are you kidding me? What? Are you kidding me right now? This is unreal.
Yeah.
Wow, look, a little private oasis. Dude, are you I can't even believe what I'm seeing. Guys, look at this rock. There's like a shower room and a bathroom built into this rock. This is like, look at those showers. Look at the bathrooms, man. Oh my God. This is crazy. Capital C, man. And beautiful. The pool is sparkling clean. That's nothing less than what I would expect. Wow. Oh my God. You can actually go up there. About to check that out, the stairs. We got a bridge and then another little private pool section, and there's like a view over here with some places to relax. Wow. This place is insane. So, of course, got the the Pasig River here. One of the bridges. There's the proscenium. This is insane. I can't believe this is in Manila. This looks like Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, like world-class quality type stuff. It's like we're in the middle of like a theme park or something. Like, what the? We made it. A little dizzy, but we made it. So you just got like a cool roof deck view up here. Another little private chill spot, I guess. That's super cool. Wow. Holy crap. I just never get tired of looking at those buildings. They look pretty well maintained as well. It's just nuts. Man, oh man.
Kind of like a Garden of Eden, that's what I call it. For the location too, I feel like location plays a big role. You're like in Makati, and this like.
Okay, wow. So we're in like a private little garden area. This is gorgeous, wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. The air's so fresh right here. This feels so nice with the rocks. It feels like they're bringing the province to you right in the city. You've got these beautiful trees and you've got these beautiful rocks. Doesn't even feel like you're in the middle of the city. It's absolutely, I'm absolutely blown away. Wow. This is crazy. I can't even believe how nice this would be at night. So peaceful and tranquil. Even during the day, it's like the air quality is like 10 times better right in this little section we're in. Wow, that is awesome. 'Cause, 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 'cause beautiful. This is like the biggest garden ever. The air quality is like 1,000 times better right here. The air feels so fresh. Yeah, so this place, the amenities, the quality of units that are available that you can get here at the prices for the location, top 3, top 2. I don't even understand like how to classify this place, but it blew me away big time. My expectations are blown out of the water. On one of the most interesting places, one of the nicest places I've seen, not only in Manila, but just in my life. Like, I can't believe that you can get what you can get here at the prices. For the unit we looked at earlier, $550-ish a month, US dollars, fully furnished, 330 square foot studio. These amenities are off the charts. The gym's off the charts, this garden, the pool, the kids play area off the charts, like the M Quartier in Bangkok or the Emporium in Bangkok. They had kids places. I don't even think I think they might have been comparable to that, or on the same level as that, or maybe even better than that. So that's saying something, because this is a condominium complex on the other side of Pasig River in Makati, Manila. Freaking believable, you guys. So Charles was just telling me that each of the 5 towers is named after like different waterfalls. Like one of them is like based off of like Niagara Falls. Do you know what some of the other ones are?
Yeah, DettiFoss, which is in Iceland, Iguazu, which is in Argentina.
Nice.
Yeah. So every tower here is named after waterfall in the world, famous waterfalls.
Damn, dude, that is so cool.
Yeah.